Number 3 is the load. Any current consuming device is called the load. This is a unit which converts electrical energy into another form of energy to do work. It may be a lamp, a motor, radio or TV, or any other electric. Number 4 is the control. These are switches, push buttons, relay and other gadgets which regulate or control the flow of electric current. Number 5 is the protective device. This is a device that protects the circuit from being damaged caused by a short or overloaded circuit. This may be a fuse or an automatic overload relay. Fuse is an electrical safety device containing a low melting metal that easily melts if the current running through it exceeds a particular level, thereby breaking the circuit. This is how the fuse is blown out when the loads exceed the current rating of the fuse. Automatic circuit breaker or automatic overload relay. It is a device which automatically trips off or opens up the circuit when there is a short or overload in the circuit. This device can be reset manually through its switch when the circuit is already normalized, thereby functioning again as good as a newly installed circuit breaker. The safety panel of the circuit breakers. The parts of the circuit are the source using a battery, the connecting wire which connects the different parts of the circuit, the load, and it is using a bulb, the protective device that protects the circuit from damage using a fuse, and control using a switch. The 5 electrical circuit conditions. Number 1 is the open circuit. When there is a break in the circuit and the current could not pass through, then the circuit is open. When the switch is off, the circuit is open or cut off. Number 2, closed circuit. When there is a continuous flow of current from the source without interruption and the switch is on. Number 3 is short circuit. There is a short circuit when the electric current takes a shortcut from its usual path or did not pass any load at all. A short circuit results in a blown fuse. It can even lead into a burnt out circuit if the applied current rating of the fuse is much higher than the current rating of the wire. This is a circuit condition when a fuse is blown out when there is a sudden surge of high voltage. And this is a short circuit condition when current did not pass a load. Number 4, ground circuit. The circuit is said to be a ground circuit when metals are used as path for current to travel for the purpose of preventing electric shock to the person using the electrical appliance. It may be applied to a clothes dryer, washing machine, a refrigerator, or any electrical appliances that may need grounding to avoid electrical shock to harm a person. See how dangerous electrical shock is. Number 5. Overload circuit. When the number of loads connected to the circuit exceed the current rating of the fuse or wire, the circuit is said to be overloaded. This is a circuit condition where there are too much loads connected in the circuit. And here is a circuit condition where the current rating of the fuse is much smaller than the current rating of the loads connected to